Hi everybody, this is Trent from the Leonardo Museum here live, and we're going to be doing some artwork with coding today. So how can we be creative while practicing coding? Well, what we can do is find ways that we can create different kinds of codes for our friends to potentially be able to use at home even though they're distant and far away from you. So we're going to be using pixels. Now, this is a little picture of something I've been doodling today. And what's really awesome is that you can use this amazing little website. It's called pixelartmaker.com. And it's where you can take and fill in little pixels. As you can see, one little pixel is a tiny minute amount of information or color or light that will inform the greater image and what it ends up looking like. So we'll be using pixel art as a way to develop a code that you can give to your friends to figure out. So here is what we're going to be doing. We're going to first do a nice little sketch. So you can use your little tools, you can switch your colors, all the different kinds of things, and create something. Now today I have been using this little pixel maker to make an image of Utah with a heart on it. Now, as far as this goes, we're going to be using this main image to then create our image. So, first thing you're going to be doing, I'm going to be creating a document for you to download that's a big sheet of graph paper. This is what it's going to look like when it's all blank. As you're using this, you're going to color in each little square to make an image. That is going to be your first step. So, I went ahead and did this in advance so it doesn't take too long in our video today, but I went ahead and filled in the different squares that I have. Now what we want to do after this is assign codes to each different color. So for instance, I might make the blue on the outside code A, and then the black outline B, the yellow in the middle C, my red might be D, and my pink might be E. You could use numbers instead, so you could do 1, 2, 3, or whatever you want. You could make up little symbols on your own, or whatever it might be. Then you're going to go through and start to assign your codes. So I have A, B, C, D, and E for each one of these. And as you can see here, it's going to be super easy to then transfer over to my other document. So you have a blank sheet of graph paper that you have to bring it over. Now, you might also have to remember back in math class when we were using these charts that you'll have to go over a certain amount of spaces and then go down or up or over, whatever it might be. So you fill in the different boxes with the right code, and then it looks like this. When you don't have that on the second sheet of paper you'll have, all you have is your code. And then you send this off to a friend. Maybe you take a picture of it. Maybe perhaps you scan it on your printer at home if you have one of those. Or you could give one of ours a try today as we'll upload some for you to see if you can figure out what our codes are. And then you just send them off to your friends. So there's lots of different ideas that you can do here. You can find different fun ways. I've been practicing some other little pixels as well. For instance, you could do a fun little Mona Lisa or things like that. So get really creative, make your codes, and send them off to your friends. Thanks for joining us here at Leo at Home, and we hope you have an awesome day.